In this video, I'd like to show you how to set up your foldable, and it's all about fossils, what they are and the types of fossils and how they form. So you've got something that looks kind of like this, where you've got about 8 different little doors, and you're probably wondering, what do I do with this thing? So this is going to be where we take notes about what fossils are and how they form. So what we're going to do is take this, and we're going to set it up to look like this, okay? So what will happen is each of these little flaps here, little doors, are going to be places where we put information about fossils and the different types of fossils, okay? So I'll just walk you through how that should look. So on each of your little doors, here's what you're going to have written. So on the first door, upper left-hand corner, you're going to have fossils. That's going to be one thing you'll write. And then right across from it, you're going to have petrification written, because that's a type of fossil. You're also going to have molds and casts, and you're going to have imprints. And then you're going to have freezing, and then amber, and then you're also going to have tar pits, and then trace fossils. Okay, so those are going to be the 8 things that we learn about when it comes to fossils and how they form. So under the first flap, you're going to notice I've got something written. You're probably wondering where I got that information. I will actually send you the text where I got this information, but what you're going to do is you're going to be doing some reading, and you're going to actually find the information for each of these. So I'm going to go ahead and open this on up, because here's how yours should kind of look after you get those labels on. You'll notice that each of these little doors has got 2 boxes, 2 little boxes that all this room is for you to put that information in, okay? So what I've done is I've taken and I've drawn a line straight down the center here. And then also, let me open this side up, you'll see I've done the same thing here. So here I've got lines that go across. So for each of these little doors, you actually have 2 little boxes for your information, okay? So once you have the names on here written, here's what you're going to do on the inside, okay? So on that very first upper left-hand corner flap, you're going to put how they form and also what type of rock these are found in. And then you're going to put where they're not found and why. So that's for this very first flap, fossils, okay? We need to know that information about fossils. Then, all the other boxes will be set up in the same way. So like here where it says petrification, okay? On the inside, you're going to put how it happens, okay, and also examples. And you're going to do that for each and every box. How they form, examples. How they form, examples. And so you're going to do that for each and every one of these. So you'll notice how they form and examples. So you're going to be looking at a text, and it's going to teach you about what those fossils are and how they form. And then you're going to also list some examples. And on the front, what you're going to do then is you are going to draw a picture of the examples given either in the text or out of your research if you go on Google to see some examples, okay? So that's how to set up your foldable. And I will be sending you the text. The text will be in a PDF, and you'll be able to find your information you need for each of these. All right, thanks.